In today's video, I'm going to be taking a SD card and installing Raspian, which is the operating system for the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to get that operating system onto the SD card, and then the SD card can be used within the Raspberry Pi. Here we go! I've installed the Raspberry Pi into this plastic container box. The Raspberry Pi is the green board. I've installed the cooling devices also. In order to get the Raspian software onto this SD card, I'm going to use a program called Balena Etcher. I'm going to install that onto my MacBook Pro, and then I'll be able to use that to install the Raspian operating system onto this card. Okay, so first I went to balena.io/etcher, downloaded it for my Mac, I opened it, and I dragged it into the application folder, just like that. Now the zip file that I created was here. So what I want to do is set up, I'm going to select the image. It should be, I go to the desktop. This is the Raspian operating system. So that's the zip that I want there. And I want to change this to Apple SD card reader media to 31.92 gigs. Continue, and then I hit the flash button. Okay, I guess the flash is complete. That's how you install Raspian onto an SD card.